Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an organic protein shake. First, gather your core ingredients. You'll need 1 scoop of your favorite organic protein powder. Next, choose a liquid base, such as 1 cup of organic almond milk or water. Finally, select some organic fruits like half a banana or a handful of berries to add natural sweetness and vitamins. To boost your shake's nutrition and flavor, consider adding organic leafy greens, like 1/4 cup of spinach. For healthy fats, a tablespoon of organic almond butter or chia seeds works wonderfully. If you prefer a sweeter taste, try adding 1 or 2 organic dates or a small drizzle of organic maple syrup. These additions make your shake even more satisfying. For the best blending results, always add your liquid base to the blender first. This helps prevent the protein powder from sticking to the bottom. Then, add your powder and other ingredients. Blend on high for about 30 to 60 seconds or until the shake is completely smooth. If it's too thick, add a splash more liquid. Don't be afraid to get creative with your organic protein shake. Try different organic fruit combinations, like mango and pineapple, or add a pinch of organic cinnamon for extra flavor. For a colder, thicker shake, simply toss in a few ice cubes before blending. Enjoy your delicious, nutrient-packed organic protein shake as a healthy meal or snack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.